Hi guys, I wanted to share with you the coolest thing I saw on Kelly and Ryan the other day. It's an ornament that's a toilet paper roll that you make yourself. And I had an idea to add to it. Wipe away negatives. That's what my Aunt Shirley used to have on her toilet paper rolls, like above the toilet paper in the bathroom. And then I wrote on the back side, wipe away 2020. And you just put it on a ribbon and you make a little miniature toilet paper roll. And actually they used a spool, an old spool like this, when all the thread's gone, because I've made like 2,000 masks. I have all these spools. I may make some out of the spools, but in case you don't have spools, old spools of thread, I used cardboard to make a roll of toilet paper to make an ornament. But thank you, Kelly and Ryan, for that great tip. And I just had some ribbon from another present that I used to be the ribbon to tie it, put it on the tree, to wipe away negatives and wipe away 2020. So here we go. I used just some old material. I shortened some pants, so I was able to use my pants material. If you don't have cloth, they used ribbon. I didn't have any white ribbon, but I bet you could use regular old paper towel. So you take your paper towel, and you can take a toilet paper roll, and I don't know, 3/4 of an inch, just guess at your size, and you just roll, cut, and then if you don't have a hot glue gun, you could just tape it. I taped this part on the other one. I'm trying to help you do it in case you don't have any of the supplies they have. Take it, cut it to size, and then you can use your paper towel. I don't know, 3 inches, 2 inches. That might not be long enough. You roll it on here. Yep, I made it too short. Let's make it just a little bit longer. Oops, I have better scissors right here. You just cut. So let's say 5 inches. That looks about 5 inches. And you take your little roll and you roll it. So I was thinking, if you don't have a hot glue gun, use regular glue and a clothespin like this. But I have a hot glue gun. It's like 30 years old, but I have an old hot glue gun. I'm just gonna put a little bit of glue right here. Oops, ouch. Oh, that hurt. And you be super careful not to get on your skin. And you roll it just like this. There we go. And then you have your roll of toilet paper. And I have another piece of ribbon. And you can write the little saying, wipe away negatives. And you just put it right here, and here you go. You have another ornament. A fun idea for 2020. Toilet paper roll. Again, thank you, Kelly and Ryan. I love your show. Merry Christmas. May 2021 be amazing. Bye-bye.